married.
You're not old enough to get married.
I am.
But if you get married, then you have to go with your husband and you have to live in your own house and take care of yourselves. Can you do that?
No.
So you want to get married and live with Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think you need to be a grown-up. Don't pinch your sister. Is that okay? You'll wait? You want to wait till you're older to get married?
I am older.
Okay, who are you going to marry?
And Dada.
You can't marry Daddy. I'm married to Daddy.
Somebody
Somebody needs
needs to marry me.
to marry you? Who else?
Who-
Who else can marry you?
who's-
Maybe Connor?
No.
No? Who else? Who else? Maybe Cameron, the boy?
No.
No? Who do you want to marry you? All right, you think about that.